When drawing in AutoCAD, it is convenient to sometimes use the blocks that Autodesk has designed inside AutoCAD itself. To access these blocks, you can type in ADC for Autodesk Design Center. Press enter and you will find the window opens where you can find the blocks in the Design Center. The location of the Design Center folder is shown in this address at the bottom of the window. If you cannot find your Design Center folder, we can go and find it from your local C drive, then go to Program Files, Autodesk, AutoCAD. This may be 2021, 2022, 2019. It will differ depending on the version that you're using. Then you go down and you select Sample, select ENUS, and then you can find Design Center. If you click to expand the Design Center, then you've got various subcategories of blocks and drawings that are saved in Design Center. I'll go click on House Designer, double click inside the blocks icon, and now I've got certain blocks that I can use in my floor plan. This window is currently in the way of my floor plan, so I can either move it, I can auto hide it, or I can move it to the side and actually dock it on the side of my drawing. I will now go and place a bathtub inside bathroom 2. So simply click on the icon, then I can double click on it and a window appears where it asks me what specifications do I want to supply for my block to be placed in my drawing. I can specify if I want the insertion point, the scale and the rotation on screen, or if I want to type it in this window. An alternative method would be to simply drag the block from that window and click to release, and now I've got my block and I can go and place it in my drawing. We can do the same for a toilet in the top view. Simply click on it, drag it and release, and there I've got a toilet block, and I can click on that grip point and place it where I want it to be placed. Now let's have a look at our sink oval top. I want the sink to be placed along this left hand wall, and in its current position it won't be placed correctly. So I'm going to double click on it, and I want to specify the rotation on screen. The scale I'll keep the same, and the insertion point I'll specify on screen. I can click OK. Now you'll see the first instruction or command that is asked is give an insertion point. So I'll place it there and specify the rotation angle. And now I can move my cursor, or I can type in the degrees. So if I move my cursor, I click, and I'm happy with that rotation. I'll just move this sink a little bit closer to the wall using the grip point, and I'll click to place it. And my bathroom layout is completed. I can go back to my Autodesk Design Center, and this time I'll click on Home Space Planner. I'll click on blocks, double click, and now I want to select a sofa for my lounge. So I'll select the 3-seater. You see, once I click on a block, it will also show me the preview of what that item will look like. So I'm going to just simply drag it into my lounge. Do the same with a coffee table. And then the sofa, the round back, I'll go double click on it and specify my rotation on screen. Click OK. Specify the insertion point, and now I'll rotate my sofa. If I select it, I use the grip point and simply drag it in the position I want it to be and click to place. And now I have completed the layout of the furniture using the blocks in my design center.